Hey sweet friends and family, welcome back. Today I am sharing with you 3 super easy Mediterranean dishes that you could easily do during the week for an easy weeknight meal. These are 3 recipes that Peter and I have been enjoying recently ourselves, and we absolutely love them. They are so delicious. And so quick disclaimer, I'm definitely not a professional chef in any way, shape, or form, so y'all make sure you cut me some slack. Thanks a million. Super easy. I'm going to share with you the chicken gyros with the tzatziki sauce, 1 pot tomato basil pasta, and then I'm also sharing with you the skillet lemon chicken with potatoes and kale. So I will have the link to all of the recipes down in the description box below for you, so that way you can reference all the measurements and confirm all the ingredients and all of those things. I'm just going to quickly go through them with you so you can see how easy and quick they are to make, and see if it's something that you feel like might work well for you and your family. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment and say hello, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so this is all that we need for the marinade for the chicken for the first recipe that we're going to do for dinner tonight. And you want to marinate the chicken first. I'm just going to literally put all these in this bag and let it marinate. It says for at least 3 hours. It's about 10 o'clock here right now. We'll probably have dinner between 6 and 6:30, so it'll be well marinated by then. So I will go ahead and do that now. Alright, after you add all the ingredients, you just make sure you mix it up really good, so it should look like this. You want to make sure that the chicken in the bag is thoroughly coated on all sides, and then you just pop it back in the fridge until you need it later. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and make the cucumber salad, and this is super easy. I mean, it might take just like 15 minutes just to chop everything up, but you literally just need fresh parsley, a cucumber, a half of a red onion, and a tomato, and salt and pepper. And you just chop them up all fine and put it into a bowl and mix it together. Okay, I got all the ingredients in. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper and then just mix it all together. So we've got the whole wheat pita bread. We've got tzatziki sauce pre-made here. Now I bought this at Aldi. You can make it yourself. It's just easier for me since I already have to make the cucumber salad to buy the tzatziki sauce pre-made. We've got the feta cheese. We've got our cucumber salad that we made from earlier today. We have our marinated chicken. And then Peter and I love sweet potato fries with these. I picked these up at my local Food Lion. guys, so this is for meal number 2. So this one's called Skillet Lemon Chicken, Potatoes, and Kale, and that's literally exactly what it is. This one is super easy. The only thing that is probably the most time consuming is you have to dice the potatoes, but I mean, that's really not that big of a deal. So you've got kale, chicken broth, olive oil, minced garlic, chicken thighs, lemons, the little golden potatoes, salt and pepper, and then fennel. So the recipe actually calls for tarragon, but I was having trouble finding it, so I used this fennel in place of it, and it turned out just fine. You guys, for this one I have to pull out my big skillet, so it definitely helps if you have a bigger cast iron skillet. This thing's really heavy. Okay. Okay guys, so I've got my chicken thighs here and I went ahead and trimmed it, so you just basically want to cut off as much of the fat as you can, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper. And then what we're gonna do is go ahead and just cook the chicken in the skillet for about 5 minutes total on each side. You don't wanna, it doesn't matter if it's not cooked completely, because we're gonna put this whole sucker in the oven in a little bit. Okay, you guys, so for tonight's dinner, we are doing 1 pot tomato basil pasta. This is literally all that you need for this meal, except we actually add some grilled chicken on top. This recipe does not call for a protein, so we decided to add a little bit of grilled chicken, which I'll show you at the very end. But this one's literally super easy. You just throw all of this in the pot and let it cook together. And then if you want to add a meat, you can. If not, you know, you can just do it with just the pasta as well. Alright you guys, well that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find some of these recipes super helpful and that you enjoy them as much as Peter and I have. Don't forget to stop in the comments and say hello, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!